good credits and grades, you will have all those facilities what we have here in this university for achievements. So my dear students, now you have all the opportunities here. You should make use of them now. This 4 years, you are here to study 4 years. You have a lot of opportunities. Now you are just from the school under the strict of your parents. Don't see TV, don't do this, study. 2 years at least from 10th onwards till 12th. You are now free birds. You have come to the university. You have been spoon-fed so far, as rightly pointed out our president. Now here you are here to learn on your own. So now these 4 years, see, you are in a big ocean, knowledge park, as you rightly pointed out. Now you are taken into the pool and it is up to you to drink the water. So my dear students, the opportunities you should make use of, and these 4 years, if you work hard and suffer, acquire knowledge, achieve your goals, then you can be happy throughout your life. Otherwise, if you want to enjoy these 4 years, because you are free bird from the schools, you want to enjoy your life, not in studies. In fact, enjoyment also is there in the studies. You enjoy your studies. Enjoy your studies and don't waste your time, so that you can achieve your goals. If you work hard these 4 years, the whole life you can be happy. Otherwise, you enjoy these 4 years and whole life you have to suffer. The choice is yours. So my dear students, I would like to tell you and advise that, see, in this university, in any university for that matter, when you study, attendance becomes an essential component. Why? Only when you attended all the classes, you will be able to understand the subject and you will be able to do well in your examination. And that forms the prerequisite for the other subjects that you are going to study in the future semesters. So you have to attend all classes, that's why attendance is made compulsory. At least 75% of attendance you should make. For any any natural calamities, not being well and so on, there is 10% concession given for you. So you have to plan your study time that you should attend at least 70%, 75% of the attendance. If you don't do that, you will not be allowed to take examination and you will lose 1 year of your study. Right? Similarly, for going to one semester, another semester, there are certain credit requirements. 14 credits the first year and first semester and so on and so forth. So until unless you earn those credits, you will not be allowed to go to the senior semesters. So this tells you that you have to concentrate on your studies and earn credits and earn your attendance, so that you can go to the senior semesters without any problem. So my dear students, this university, as you all know, and you have come here, you have chosen a very right university. You have come here to make a career, make use of that. So, in fact, how many of you are from North, from Hindi speaking people? Bahut badhiya hai. See here, this campus, as rightly pointed out by our chance in the morning, it is a multicultural campus. We have people from all around the country and all around the world. So my dear विद्यार्थियों, अच्छी तरह पढ़िए. इधर आपका पढ़ने के लिए सब कुछ है. आपका जिंदगी बनाना आपका हाथ में है. अच्छी तरह पढ़िए, आपका जिंदगी बनाइए. My dear students, do well and earn your career. Thank you very much.
Will keep your piece of advice in mind. Proceeding further, our registrar, who is the driving force of SRM University, will now introduce the directors, deans and HODs.
Good evening, sir. Honorable President of the SRM University, respected Vice Chancellor, Pro-Vice Chancellors, and my colleagues on the dais, members of the faculty, students, and parents. Vice Chancellor in his address, he asked, how many are from North India? I will say, India is here. Sir, it is my pleasant duty to introduce directors, deans and heads of the department. Dr. S. Ponnuswamy, Controller of Examinations. Dr. C. Muttamil Selvan, Director Engineering Technology. Dr. R. Balasubramanian, Science and Humanity. Professor R. Venkatrami, Director Campus Life, for all your hostel issues. He is the Director concerned. 9940036005. Why I am saying not that everyone here we will take care of the interests of the students. I am giving this information to the parents, let them not have any anxiety. My number is also, I am telling no problem, 993600, 9940036008. It is in the website. Why I am giving, contact the correct person, official, so that your problems can be addressed. Dr. P.K. Munisuran, Director, Organization, Faculty Development and Sports. Mrs. Anuradha Prakar, Director, Students Affairs, Student Mentoring also. Dr. V. Narayan Rao, Director, Research. Dr. K. Mohan, Director, ITKM, Information Technology, Knowledge Management. Dr. T.V. Gopal, International Affairs. Professor A.N. Parameswaran, IIIC, Industrial Institute Interaction Cell. Dr. S.V. Kashmir Raja, Dean Research. Professor S. Ganapathy, Dean Placement. Dr. D. Kingsley Jeba Singh, Dean Mechanical Engineering, School of Mechanical Engineering. Dr. S. Malarvili, Dean, School of Electronic Communication Engineering. I am introducing now the heads of the department. Dr. Annadurai, Professor and Head, Civil Engineering Department. Dr. M. Linus Jesu Martin, Automobile Engineering Department. Dr. E. Puvammal, Computer Science Engineering Professor and Head. Dr. A. Subbarayan, Professor and Head, MCA Department. Professor S. Rajendran, Professor and Head, Information Technology. Dr. Wahida Hopper, Professor and Head, Bioinformatics. Dr. T. Ramarao, Department of Telecom Engineering Head. Dr. Vimala Juliet, Professor and Head, ICE Department. Dr. A.K. Jayanti, Professor and Head, E&I Department. Dr. M. Anburajan, Professor and Head, Biomedical Engineering. Dr. M.P. Rajesh, Department of Chemical Engineering Head. Dr. S. Mainyana Lakshmi, Professor and Head, Biotechnology Department. Dr. K. Ganeshan, Department, Professor and Head, Mathematics Department. Dr. K. Anbalagan, Professor and Head, Department of English. Dr. D. John Thiruvadigal, Professor and Head, Department of Physics. Dr. P. Kamaraj, Professor and Head, Department of Chemistry. Professor M. Tirumeni, Department of Architecture Engineering Head. Mrs. Maithili, Career Guidance Cell, Professor and Head. I left out the name while reading the names of the deans. Sorry for that. Dr. Jason Suresh, Dean, School of Management Studies. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we invite the parents to share your thoughts.
వెంకటేశ వెంకటాద్రి సంస్థానం బ్రహ్మాండే నాస్తి కించన వెంకటేశ సమోదేవో న భూతో న భవిష్యతి. I will tell the meaning later. I am Venkat Sharma, father of Sri Sharvani, who has recently just today joined in Electronics and Communication Engineering. I am really proud to be one among you. I was trained in my college days from Indian Institute of Science, Department of Instrumentation. Later on, I worked in some CSR labs. Afterwards, I was in for some time politics. Now I am with a devotional and world famous temple, Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, as Chief Liaison Officer. It's really amazing for me. One of my friend by name Mr. Narasimha Reddy, he is from Tirupati. He was a public prosecutor and government lawyer. Just now, our Vice Chancellor has told, one student who has got in IIT, is not joined in IIT, is joined in SRM. Similar thing has happened in his case. He has got somewhere near Bhopal, is AEEE, but his grandparents denied to send him, even though his mother is a doctor. Then he has started searching. I am talking about 4 years back. He has started searching which is the suitable university because admissions are over. Then somehow through one of his friends from the University of Hyderabad, he has recommended him to join his son in the SRM University. Then that time I laughed at him. You are doing a mistake. Today as a parent I have realized, after seeing the enormous progress as a research man, as a sometime in the politics, as in the spiritual organization, I have also started searching for my daughter. My elder daughter has studied in somewhere in, because of, to keep her in a proximity near to Tirupati, I have joined her in a engineering college. But this is an institution of greatness. Why I am telling? Even only the country who has got chairman as the Indian Science, for this Indian Science Congress is the Prime Minister in our country only. Such a noble personality like Manmohan Singh has accepted to come over to the first private university. You must all proud of that because as the students now who has joined here, no other university other than the government funding has ventured to that sort of funding to keep Indian Science Congress. And the reports what I got with my interactions with Professor Ramamurthy was earlier, the chairman for the conducting the Indian Science Congress. He has told me that he has seen nearly 30 science congresses. Even a small scientist to the small reader, small PhD holder to the highest scientist of this country are happy with not only with the arrangements. So we are all safe for our children's arrangements, for their food, for their stay. That is one point where I got convinced. Second one, the enormous amount a private university is investing into the not only for the student activities, but also to the research, where at par with the international institutions. They are ready to spend. That's what I have gauged. I have seen the entire labs. The amount of advancement in the electronics communication, the advancement in the electron microscopy, whatever not, instrumentation side, non-instrumentation side, mechanical side, civil side, These labs are, I have found after visiting many universities in the earlier part of my life, I have equally comparing this one, it is not less than any IIT. Many people may not get in IITs, but please, all the students, I am requesting as a father, please feel that you should proud of your institution. And you take, I have seen the classification of